Mayeni asked a very important question to Mpumelelo. She asked, is you and your father, speaking about Umusa, are you guys in a competition for women? And you know what, guys? Like, maybe we need to ask that question again because on the preview of the next episode of Izingane Zesthembu, Mpumelelo says he wants 7 wives, you guys. 7 wives. It's funny to me, and I'm really hoping, guys, that when the episode finally is, that it's gonna be a joke. That it's just gonna be a joke that was said in passing and then he just agreed. But in reality, he really does not want 7 wives because I don't know, the father Umusamselegu is striving for 5 wives. We don't even really know, but in the Baga wife number 5, if it's something that truly does exist or it doesn't exist. But anyway, he's currently got 4 wives. Mpumelelo is now saying he wants 7 wives. So the question really is Mpumelelo trying to outdo his father? Are these two people in a competition for women? Because what is he going to do with 7 wives, you guys? If already with the ones that he has, uyehluleka, they are showing him flames, how is he going to handle 7 wives? That's my question. The finance one, okay, the finance one can be sorted out because Angitu Mundu can grow in business, money can be made. Plus, his father got money, so at least when it comes to finances, like we've got hope that Mpumelelo, like he's gonna see the light and eventually he will be okay with the assistance of his father. But what is he going to do with 7 wives? When already, you guys, Utirelo was complaining about not being able to see, or like the last time she saw Mpumelelo. So he's not, or they're not able to see one another often. So how is he going to split himself and make time for 7 wives? And then you want to take Ichichi Labantu and make her wife number 1. And guys, I don't even know what to say concerning this because I am appalled. Like I really am like hoping that this boy is just like it's just a joke. But then again, like just the way Umpumelelo thinks, I wouldn't even be surprised if this whole thing of wanting 7 wives is not a joke. But what really are you gonna do with 7 wives? I really don't know. But anyway, if there's any of you who are looking at an opportunity at fame, an opportunity of possibly being on one of the episodes of Izingane Zesthembu in the future, Mpumelelo guys wants 7 wives. So if you meet the criteria, as you can see that his current woman, Mpumelelo he has a certain type. He has a certain type. You're a chubby woman, you're full-figured woman, so yeah, he has a certain wife. So if you feel like you meet those criterias and that you wanna make yourself a clown, or should I say, let me not say clown because these are other children's hearts. It's not just a game; it's their lives and it's their hearts. But if you do want the opportunity of fame, Mpumelelo guys won 7 wives. So shoot your shot. Maybe you qualify because I get you short lists. He dates them and then shows them flames. And then when the flames are too much, you will decide as the girl whether you leave or stay. If you decide to stay, there's another time frame and then possibly you'll make it onto the list of possible wife. So it's a long process, but all the best, you guys. Anyway, do make sure that you like this video. Please do subscribe. It is absolutely for free of charge. And I'll see you on the next one.